Good morning, beauties. Happy Monday. I honestly feel like these last few weeks have just flown by, and it's almost 4th of July in a few weeks. I feel like the time has really just flown by like crazy. Yesterday, Ken and I did like a little date for Father's Day. My dad is out of town, so we weren't with him. So we just kind of like did our own thing. We went to this like golf simulation place, which was actually really fun and kind of funny because of like how inaccurate it was. Like we just had the hardest time figuring out the putting. But the place we went to was so close to the mall that we were like, you know what, like since we're here, like let's just go to the mall and like have a little fun day. And we went to Aritzia, which was like the place I wanted to go to. Like I was like, oh, Aritzia's here, like I really want to get literally this. And I always try to find something that's like similar, but I can't ever really find it anywhere. And so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go into Aritzia and do it. And I got two. This one's a bodysuit that like literally is like a full bodysuit, and I don't own anything like this, so I'm actually think it's so cute. And then I got the matching sweatpants to make it a little bit more like wearable if I want to like go stop at the store or something, or you know what I mean, like after a workout. And so I did that. I got these two pieces and then a tank top version of this one in like a kind of like gray color. We hopped over into Coach and I got the perfect like summer shoes that have been on my list for so long because I don't really have anything like it. I just felt like flat shoes or like sandals was something that I didn't really have in my closet, because the sandals I used to have I would wear on spring break in college, so they were thrashed and I really needed to upgrade to a little bit of a more classy look. Pretty Little Thing ended up actually sending me like the most perfect summer beach sandals, and then when I was in Coach I found the most perfect like nice classy little shoes that you can wear with like nice outfits. So I'm feeling really like, I feel like I checked that off of the list for like a summer essential, and they were literally exactly what I was looking for. So I'll show you guys them in a little bit. You guys, I also just realized I haven't worn makeup since like maybe the Wednesday before I got my wisdom teeth taken out. So in almost like, I haven't worn makeup in like a week and a half, which is crazy because you guys know me, I'm glam girl. I love doing my makeup. I just literally for a week and a half, my cheeks were hurting from getting my wisdom teeth out, and I just really felt like I didn't want to like rub or push or do anything. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna let it be and let this be like a little skincare time, because I did honestly want to focus on skincare a bit because my face was starting to break out. And honestly, I feel like it really has helped my skin clear up quite a bit, not doing any makeup and just like focusing on skincare. So I'm actually really happy with it. I can give you my secret for the two products that I truly believe have helped my skin a ton. The Real Miracle Clear Complete Acne Serum. This one, I noticed it literally right away. I still do it once a day, but it really helped stop any like breakouts from happening. The Tula Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser really is really good. So I honestly would say those are the two things that I switched recently in my routine, and my skin has like really improved. I want to show you guys the shoes. These are them. And aren't these not like literally the most stunning loafers? They're exactly what I was looking for, and like the gold sea just makes it look so nice and classy, and they're so beautiful. Good morning, happy Tuesday. Today we are up bright and early, and we are gonna go play tennis and grab coffee or a juice or something with Dylan today. And I'm so excited because I've been keeping it very chill since I got my wisdom teeth out, just like chill. So I'm ready to get a little competitive, you know what I mean? Like I'm ready to go. I'm actually really excited. The weather yesterday was like the last bad day of weather till like next week, I think, or like till Sunday. So we have a few days of sunny sunshine and I plan on using every second of it to be outside. I'm wearing the same little like one set I wore yesterday because I ended up like not having it on for that long and it's just so stinking cute, and I was like, this is literally perfect to wear to tennis. Don't judge me if I put it on yesterday and I'm actually like putting it to use today.
Oh my, I saw 2 fishes and they were this close to grabbing it.
Good morning, beauties. Happy Wednesday. Yesterday was such a fun day. Literally played tennis, was outside for almost like the whole day. Keenan and I randomly decided to go paddleboarding last night, but we ended up not even paddleboarding because we really believed we were gonna catch a fish fishing last night. So we like spent the whole time doing that, but we had the best time, just like being outside, being in nature, fishing, just like quality time together. We are gonna try to do it again tonight and hopefully catch some fish and hopefully paddleboard too. I'm definitely gonna be trying to not be on my phone as much and be outside in nature and just like enjoying it. I felt like my mental was so good yesterday because of that. Because of how active I was, how outside I was. Dylan and I like randomly stumbled upon a open house too while we were getting lunch. We like toured an open house and it was a beautiful apartment. Like it was so beautiful. We just honestly had the best day. We planned for some fun stuff that's happening in the future too, which definitely stay tuned because those vlogs are gonna be so fun. Like they're gonna be so good. I'm making a playlist right now. I have only 3 songs added to it because I'm very particular. But this is the playlist I made for summer 24 and it's literally all just like the best vibe songs. Anyway, I'm gonna play one of them while I'm getting ready. I played it a little bit yesterday. Look at this pajama set. Is it not the cutest thing ever? And it's so comfy. But I feel so cute, like I don't want to change out of it. It's from Pretty Little Thing. It's literally so comfy and cute and girly and I love it. But it's really nice weather today. So we're gonna change into like a cute little dress and get ready for the day. This dress is like a cute like swimmy cover. And then these sandals. Are they not perfect? They're from Pretty Little Thing as well. Like honestly, they're killing it. I feel like they got me set up in the beach department. I feel like I've been loving the outfits lately. I've been trying to make more of a conscious decision on just like dressing up. Like, I don't know, I was always somebody that would just like throw a shirt and shorts on just because like I played so many sports as a kid. So it was like kind of in my brain to just like wake up, go to practice, you throw shirts and a shorts on. I think that was like ingrained in my head for a while, and now since I'm like loving fashion, like I'm just loving a little fashionista moment, I'm trying to, I don't know, be more fashionista from the second I wake up.
Guys, my name is Keenan, welcome back to the vlog.
That's hot. Hello. Now we are gonna go fishing again, which I am so excited for. Keenan, how do you feel?
Absolutely fantastic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Drinks are on me.
We're about to go to Cabela's right now because yesterday we used a little bit of shrimp as bait.
And we were getting bites.
And we were getting bites and they were there. We literally were watching them chase the bait like up to the top of the water and they were debating. But they were probably like, why is there shrimp in a lake? Like, they were probably like, that's weird. You guys, I'm looking at the floats and it's like another language to me, like, and I'm like, I can be a good fisher. I fished in the ocean. Okay, I've brought up halibut, salmon, red snappers. I've pulled up prawn traps, crab traps. Like, I know how to fish. I can hold my own with a gaff. You know what I mean? But these little lakes, I don't know. I don't know a thing.
Getting locked and loaded, fellas. And ladies.
I feel bad for the worm. Like, why do I feel bad for the worm? But I'm like, sorry you have to be part of this. I was like railing it in and I'm like feeling little nibbles. I'm like, oh my god, that's a fish. And then I'm like pulling, like I was just kind of like going up a little bit, like just to tease it a little, you know, maybe fish like the chase. And we're like, oh my god, we have one. Turns out I'm just hooked to the bottom.